Chet. Happy birthday. Blank, dili pwede isulti at tinuod na edad. Ay amping na idra permente o sa amping sa imong lawas o God bless og mga blessing daghan pa maabot sa imo o i-maintain mo pagka sexy. Mua chup chup.
Hello, Day! Happy birthday! Sa pa may akong fan sa imo, ha? Well, ayaw lang kalimot sa imong amlodipin. Ug haplas. Maura, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sister! God bless you always! Greetings from the family of Hector Recaport.
Bye!
Oh, sige.
Birthday, Chen. Ingat permi. More birthday pa. Maabot sa imo. Love you.
Happy birthday, te. Salamat sa tanang pabor na gatag mo kabuhat. Sa tanang sakripisyo sa atong pamilya. Kami pabalik tayo sa kinabuhi. Stay healthy and be safe. Always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ching. Ang wish ko sa iyo palaging healthy, always beautiful, at saka sana kapag nagkita tayo, meron ka nang makasama at mapakilala sa akin.
Happy birthday, Ninang Chin. I love you.
Hello, Daichin! Happy 40th birthday! Hala, ning tongtong naka-40 day. Sige lang kay gwapa og sexy man lang gihapon. Manghinaot ko nga magmalampuson ka. Diha sa imong bag-ong country nga gianhaan og magmalipayon ka kanunay. Amping diha kanunay. God bless. We miss you here. Mwah.
Happy birthday sa among rich kid nga nasa Europe. Hi! My wish and prayer for you is on Mark 11:24. So happy birthday and I love you all.
Happiest birthday, sister. I praise and thank the Lord for giving you another year to celebrate life. Continue to be a good person, a friend, and a sister to us. May the good Lord hears and grants all the prayers you have in your heart. They say life starts at 40, so make the most out of it. Do not be afraid to always try and something. Just enjoy and be yourself as you shine the brightest. Know that I am one of the many who prays and wishes you with the abundance of love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, madam. How young are you? Huna-huna alang, 18 pa lang ka, pero nanay 22 years of experience, o di ba? Bongga. Welcome to the 40s! Happy birthday! I missed you. Wish you always the best. Thank you for knowing you for almost 8 years. You're always there. Tapos kaning ato ang mga kabuang, miss na kaayo tika. So, og sa naku alaga gusto mo great.
Happy birthday, Ching.
Happy birthday. Wish you always the best. May tagmakita na nimo si Mr. Right. Happy ko karon kung asa ka di sa imong mga amiga ug sa imong mga kauban sa church. Amping kanunay. I love you, madam. We miss you so much sa tanang sa tanang diri ka laag-laag sa mga barkada. We missed you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday, girl.
birthday, Chin. May you enjoy your day. I miss you. Sana mag-get together tayo ulit at tayo rumampa at maghanap ng mga ka-farm. Enjoy!
Hi Chin, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day on your special day, and may God bless you always.
Cheers to 40 amazing years, Madam. Kapilang anay, walay tequila or margarita. By the way, I'm so thankful to God for your life and our friendship. It means so much to me. Kita mo drama. Bitaw, may this chapter, new chapter of your life, bring you more love, more buhak-hak, and exciting adventures and beautiful moments with your love, with your friends, and I hope you will create more beautiful moments soon. May God continue to bless you abundantly and grant the desires of your heart. So I'm sending a big hug from you from afar. And mora na, enjoy your day. May you have the best birthday ever. I love you so much, and I miss you big time, cute. I love you, Madam. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ken. Puno sa kabigpay ang aking pasilikasin. Salamat sa inyong katuligan. Salamat sa mga picture sa mga imong hindi mo alam. Aking pagmali ni ilahan mao ang imong maayon. Was ganan tinuod na sa display. Hinaot na inanta sa imo na tanang adlaw siguro sa tanang pagtulad kumano sa tanang imong mga dami.